Okay guys, today we're going to talk about demolding our plaster, and I'll show you a little bit about cleaning up your materials, but I'll save that for another video altogether. You'll see I have my dried out cup here with plaster, and when you finish cleaning up, I do recommend let it just dry completely when you're finished for the day. You can actually just squeeze your silicone cup like this, and you'll see it's almost all off already. I'm just gonna dump it over here. You never want to put that down your sink though, so just be careful with that. You could start working with this again, but I would definitely recommend just like dipping it in some cold water and wiping it out with your hands. And we'll talk more about that in the next video. So let's demold our plaster. So I did a few letters here with my extra plaster. I like to kind of pull apart the silicone here first. I'm gonna go ahead and carefully pop it out. I'm pressing from the bottom. These have been drying for 12 hours already, so they're easy to get out. You can take stuff out sooner, but of course, the longer you let it dry, the better. So that J looks great. You'll notice I was like kind of wiping off the little edges from things that were hanging, and later on I will sand it, and we'll talk about that again. Next one, let's try this big palm tree. So I'm going to pull apart, kind of loosen up the edges here, and then push from the bottom, work my way up. And I'm hoping everything stays together. And it did. Let's see. Oh, it's so cute. Love it. That's adorable. All right, let's go ahead. We'll try our surfboard. Great, looks good. And you'll see these extra fragments. That's because I had a little overflow. So you can just pull them right off. And then I'll sand that down later. All right, this is the one I'm nervous about, the umbrella. Sometimes when you have a long line, those are harder to get out, but I think because I left this longer, it stayed in. And you'll see the little bubbles. So, but remember, everything is handmade, and sometimes you are going to get bubbles. That's the nature of the material. So what we could do is actually mix up some more plaster and fill in that hole later, but I'm not going to worry about that right now. Set that to the side. Here's our crab. And whoop, I was worried about this one. So this crab lost a claw in demolding, but sometimes it happens to crabs. So hey, that's cool. But the other option is you could make some fresh plaster and patch this and put it together and then sand it down. So we'll talk about that in another video as well. So this is not something you need to throw away. Just save it for later. All right, next up we have our clamshell. It's looking good. Awesome. A couple little bubbles, no big deal. That'll be easy to fix. And our starfish. Let's check it out. Oh, very cute. All right, thank you. I will see you on the next one. Bye.